their local knowledge. As I say, doctors and paramedics on the helicopters. Firefighting appliances are split into three groups, all self-supporting. One group is located in front of you at the centre of the airfield, just next to the big Illusion Russian aircraft on the north side. That group will attend all incidences on the airfield. Two other groups, one at the far end down by the Lappins Plain, the other by the new fire station here at Farnborough, just to the left of where the red arrows are parked. Four of the frontline ambulances are BRA Farnborough's own vehicles. 5 ambulances are on loan, including 2 from the Rover Group. All vehicles are fully equipped to meet any emergencies for the Airshow week. All have a doctor on board. R1. Rapid intervention vehicles. 3 of them ahead of the larger firefighting vehicles.
Of course, you can use the aircraft for weapon training and a variety of other things as well as straightforward flying training. And again, this all helps with training costs. As keep putting in a very neat avalanche flick roll on top of a loop. The wind today is mercifully more or less up and down the runway, but all week it's been a constant preoccupation with pilots, having to keep a very wary eye on positioning with this extremely strong wind. And they've been coping extremely well. That can be taken by Rodigo. The other feature of the aircraft's display is an extremely steep approach. Normally, for training, aerobatic or otherwise, 2 seats side by side, but it can be used for liaison or communications work or club work, or it can have a lot of specialist equipment put into the space. This is a 2-seat primary aerobatic instrument flying trainer, this time a tandem 2-seater. Choice of tandem against side-by-side CT5DT turbo pillar. As the cooking pillar comes in, you will see very clearly the size and scope of that big canopy. Coming back to displays first, flown by Jeff Kent, is the little sprint primary trainer. Part of the design philosophy has been accessibility and ease of maintenance with low cost of purchase and ownership. Both are powered by textured Lycomings. The 118 horsepower driving what I call a fixed pitch propeller, the Sprint 160 with the 160 horse engine with a Hoffman constant speed propeller. It's got full transport cat C of A from the Civil Aviation Authority. And Jeff is putting it through its paces to show the principal characteristics of the aircraft, the good handling qualities, the fact that it's fully aerobatic, +6, -3G. It has good all-round visibility. The FAA certification came after a very intensive period of development by Lovo after they took the project over 2 years ago. It's optica for the tasks it's likely to undertake. Border security, narcotics control, customs and excise duties, Coast Guard and police, any form of patrolling, disaster monitoring, photography and filming, traffic control, an enormous cabin at the front gives you 270 degrees of vertical vision and over 340 degrees horizontal. And that is an extremely good lookout. I have flown this aircraft and it's very impressive point of view. Dual control, 3rd seat in the middle, 3 seats in line. Dual control can be removed if you want to put specialist equipment in. Optica has a particularly low external noise signature and a very low internal one, and it's very, very quiet indeed, considerably quiet certainly than a comparable helicopter. And the design, the interface of engine and airframe also reduce vibration very considerably. This of course is extremely important, because if you're using photographic or specialist equipment, you want to damp out vibration. And as far as noise and vibration are concerned, on a long trip the crew will find themselves very much less fatigued. In fact, at the designed loiter speed of 70